9 healing, soothing benefits of mint tea. Mint tea is a delightful and refreshing way to stay healthy and can help you boost your immune system, improve digestion, and reduce aches and pains. Peppermint tea can be purchased at your local grocery store, from tea masters, or you can grow it yourself in the garden. Peppermint oil has long been used to treat irritable bowel syndrome, and regular consumption of peppermint tea can have a long list of health benefits. What is mint tea? Mint tea is an herbal tea, also known as infusion. The two most popular mint teas are peppermint and spearmint. Mint tea has a fresh, cool flavor with a tingling finish. Peppermint tea offers a cooling sensation. Mint tea has a pleasing aroma that invigorates the senses. Health benefits of mint tea. Treats bad breath. The aromatic scent of peppermint tea helps to camouflage bad breath, while antibacterial properties work from within to kill the germs and the bacteria that cause bad breath. Improves digestion. Peppermint tea can help regulate digestion to keep everything running smoothly. Combats the common cold and flu. Peppermint tea contains compounds that help to fight off colds while building up your immunity. Drinking a hot cup of tea is one of the most popular ways to soothe a sore throat. Soothes upset stomach. The cooling effects of menthol in peppermint tea helps to soothe an upset stomach in several ways. First, menthol relaxes the stomach muscles that can contract and cause cramping. The cooling effects of menthol can improve circulation and relieve inflammation that causes stomach pains. Reduces fever. One of the main ingredients in mint tea is menthol, which has been shown to help break a fever. Drinking a hot cup of mint tea induces sweating, which is the body's natural way of cooling down. Improves mental awareness and focus. Peppermint enhances memory and increases alertness. The scent of menthol stimulates the hippocampus area that controls mental clarity and focus. Prevent nausea. Peppermint tea has antispasmodic properties that can treat the feelings of nausea and prevent vomiting. Reduces stress. Consuming hot peppermint tea can help to lower your overall body temperature, allowing your body to relax and alleviating any inflammation. Anti-inflammatory properties also reduce blood pressure, inducing a calm state. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Peppermint can help treat dandruff by reducing itchiness and soothing dry scalps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and like and comment under this video.